the training video on how to navigate the CRIS dashboard. This training video is part 1 in a series of videos on how to utilize the new web-based CRIS tool. As you can see, we are currently on the dashboard page. I'll begin the training by showing you the CRIS icon in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Selecting the CRIS icon will navigate you back to the dashboard from anywhere throughout the tool. Now, to the right of the CRIS icon, you'll find quick links. They are New Report, My Reports, News, Help, and User Preferences. And like the CRIS icon, these quick links can be selected from anywhere throughout the tool. We'll discuss these quick links in further detail later in the training. Now, below the quick links, you'll see default tiles on the dashboard. They are New Report, My Reports, and News. I'll begin by selecting the New Report tile. Now, as you can see, when I select the New Report tile, it opens me up into an area that houses all the information you need to successfully build a query. You can see that we have create a bar chart, create a column chart, and you can also see that we've uploaded some templates that users are able to utilize. We have templates for DSR, PBAS, STH, etc. But the most important tiles in the New Report tile section are Cube, Datasheet, and the 2 import functions. Now, the Cube and Datasheet are blank reports that allow the CRIS user to select a perspective and build a query from scratch. The only difference between the two is in how the results are displayed to the user. Now, the import QDF from InfoAnalyst, that allows a user to take a QDF from InfoAnalyst and import it into the new tool. The import report file allows 2 of the new web-based users to share queries they've built. And this covers the New Report tile section. I'm going to select the CRIS icon to return to the dashboard. The next default tile is the My Reports tile. Selecting the My Reports tile takes you to the area that houses all the queries that you build in the New Reports tile section. As you can see, I have built one query in the New Report tile section, and I've saved it to My Reports section. What this allows me to do is reference this tile at any point and retrieve the results that I requested. And this covers the My Reports tile section. I'm going to select the CRIS icon and return to the dashboard. The final default tile is News. When I select the News tile, you can see that it gives me a split screen view. I have a News section, which provides me the most up-to-date and relevant information as it relates to CRIS, and then a perspective status, which is similar to the data summary feed that folks are familiar with in InfoAnalyst. The perspective status shows the user the most up-to-date load for each of the perspectives in CRIS. And this covers the News tile section. I'm going to select the CRIS icon to return to the dashboard. As you know, we've covered the default tiles below. These default tiles are also in the quick link area up in the right-hand corner. You'll see New Report, My Reports, and News. So since we've covered those, I won't go into any further detail relating to the quick links. But what I will do is show you the Help quick link and the User Preferences quick link. Now, when I select the Help quick link, you can see that it opens me up into a Help topic screen. To the right, you'll see a search bar that will allow you to keyword search for what you're looking for. Now below, you'll see tiles that represent all the help topics that are available to the user. For example, you have create a cube, how to filter in cubes, the expand all and collapse all, as well as many others. But it's likely the most important information in the help topics quick link will be our support phone and email contacts, as well as the current version of the CRIS user guide. And as you can see on the screen, this can be downloaded and saved to your local computer for future use. And this covers the Help quick link. I'm going to select the CRIS icon and return to the dashboard. Now the final quick link is User Preferences. Now when I select the User Preferences, you can see that it gives me two tabs. You have the General and the Theme. The General tab allows me to either take a tile off of my default tile list on the dashboard. It also allows me to turn off or on subtotals and cubes. And finally, it allows me to eliminate any unnecessary animation in the tool. The Theme tab allows the CRIS user to switch the background in the tool they're using. And this covers the User Preferences quick link. This concludes our training on how to navigate the CRIS dashboard.